Hi, my name is Crystal and I'm the founder of Amazon Sellers Society, and I want to invite you to join me at The Peak, the first virtual online summit for Amazon sellers based in the Middle East. Whether you are selling in North America, Europe, or the Middle East, our conference is curriculum-based and you will go away with strategies that can help you grow your business.
Hi, I'm Nathan Manchetti. I head the customer success team here at Sellera. Join me on April 2nd and the 3rd at The Peak.
Hi, I'm Henson. I'm the co-founder of Feedback Wiz. Join me on April 2nd and 3rd at The Peak, where I'll be talking about how to lower your costs and increase your profits on Amazon.
My name is Morocco, and I am the founder of Leafed Up. Join me on April 2nd and 3rd at The Peak and learn about D2C strategies for your brand.
Hi, my name is Raymond Ramos. I'm the Business Development Manager of Prime Label Studios. Join me on April 2 and 3 at The Peak, where I discuss how to make your product into the most valuable product on the Amazon space, using your ideas and having us translate them into beautiful images, videos, and content for Amazon.
Hello everyone, my name is Amit Arora and I lead business development efforts for Payoneer in Mina region. Join me on 2nd and 3rd April at The Peak, where I will be talking about Payoneer's cross-border payment solutions for businesses selling globally. Join me to learn about how Payoneer can assist you in scaling your business globally. See you all there.
Hello everyone, I'm James. I work with Klemta. I'm one of the managers here. And join me at The Peak on April 3rd to talk about trademarks.
Hey, it's Christopher from Seller Board. Join me April 2nd at The Peak to discuss how to get your money back from Amazon.
Hi, I'm Mina Elias and I'm part of Amazon Sellers Society. Join me on April 2nd and 3rd at The Peak, and I'll give you all my insider tips and tricks on PPC, breaking everything down and showing you how to do PPC to win and dominate your categories.
Join me at The Peak, April 2nd and April 3rd. The link for registration is down below.